Listen to me, because this is important. We are talking about your money, the money you worked 40 years to save, the money that is supposed to keep you safe in your golden years. You see the commercials, you see the celebrities asking what's in your wallet, and you think it's just a credit card company. But if you're retired or sitting on the doorstep of retirement, you cannot afford to just think you know who you're dealing with. You need to know exactly what Capital One is doing with the banking industry and, more importantly, what they are doing with your potential security. Capital One is not just a credit card giant anymore. They have evolved into one of the largest digital-focused banks in this country. They aren't like the old-school banks where you walk in, sit across from a teller who knows your name, and feel that sense of brick-and-mortar safety. They are a massive tech-driven engine. Their whole model is built on accessibility and high-yield digital accounts. And for someone at your stage of life, that brings up a very real fear, the fear of the unknown. You're asking yourself, is my money safe if I can't go see it? If I'm not paying fees, what's the catch? The catch is that they are betting on the fact that you'll stay comfortable with the status quo. Most of you are sitting with your hard-earned savings in a traditional big-name bank down the street, earning maybe 0.01% interest. That is a mistake. You are letting inflation eat your retirement lunch while the big banks get rich off your loyalty. Capital One's primary business is taking the high interest they charge on those credit cards and using that scale to offer online savings accounts that actually pay you a decent rate. They are a middleman that has mastered the art of the digital pivot. They offer cafes instead of branches because they want to feel approachable, but don't be fooled, they are a lean, mean, data processing machine. The question you should be asking isn't just what do they do, but is what they do right for my retirement strategy. They provide a place to park your cash where it can actually grow, often without the predatory monthly maintenance fees that plague the older institutions. But, and this is a big but, you have to be tech-savvy enough to manage it. If you are someone who panics if you can't talk to a branch manager in person when a transaction looks funny, then a digital-first bank like Capital One might keep you up at night. And in retirement, peace of mind is just as valuable as a high interest rate. So, here's what you are going to do. You are going to look at your current statement. If you are paying a monthly service fee just to let a bank hold your money, you stop that right now. That is a slap in the face to your younger self who worked so hard for those dollars. Capital One is a legitimate, FDIC-insured option that eliminates those fees and gives you a way to earn more on your liquid cash. It is a tool for the modern retiree who wants their money to work as hard as they did. But you only move that money if you are comfortable using an app and a website as your primary doorway to your wealth. You must be the master of your own destiny here. Don't just put your money somewhere because a commercial told you to. Put it there because you've decided that 3% or 4% interest is better than nothing, and because you've made sure your cybersecurity is locked down tight. You have to be strong, you have to be smart, and you have to be secure. Go check those interest rates today. Don't wait until tomorrow, because tomorrow is another day of losing money you can't afford to lose.